Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal, who are all set to tie the nuptial knot on Thursday, will have two wedding ceremonies to honor the traditions and cultures of both. The couple will tie the knot in a temple-facing wedding mandap. However, the fairer timing for the intimate ceremony are not yet clear. Earlier on Wednesday, the couple Haldi ceremony took place. The Haldi ceremony was followed by Sangeet night, which saw performances from legendary singer Gurdas Maan and acclaimed music composers Shankar Mahadevan and Ehsaan Nurani, who are Vicky's father Sham Kaushal's favorite. In addition, British Indian musician Munch Music, who is known for hits like Sing is King, Sadi Gali and Paisa Paisa, performed to the Punjabi beats. The three-day wedding festivities of the wedding couple began on Tuesday, held at the plush Six Senses Fort Barwara, a fort converted into hotel in Rajasthan. The guests attending the celebrity wedding are savouring Rajasthani and Gujarati delicacies prepared by local sweet shop. Janta Jodhpur Sweet Home, a shop located in Savai Madhopur, sent 10 varieties of sweets to the Six Senses Hotel, where the star couple will tie the knot on Thursday. Arjun Upadhyay from the Janta Jodhpur Sweet Home said,
हमारे कैटना के जो सेलिब्रेट है, जो हमारे यहाँ सवाई माधोपुर में पहली शादी हो रही है, हमको भी बहुत खुशी है। हमारे यहाँ से सवाई माधोपुर से मिठाई जा रही है और हमारे यहाँ से 8-10 तरह की मिठाई जा रही है। क्वांटिटी 8-10 किलो है। जैसे उसमें काजू पान है, ड्राई फ्रूट लड्डू है, केसर बाइट है, चॉकलेट बाइट है, पिस्ता बाइट्स है और मावा कचौरी हमारे यहाँ की स्पेशल है। कचौरी समोसा है, खमन ढोकला है और यहाँ के कई तरह के हमारे मिठाई वगैरह जा रही है। और यहाँ पे ये एक होटल नहीं, हमारे यहाँ कई 5 स्टार होटलें हैं। सवाई माधोपुर रणथंभौर रोड पे, वहाँ पे भी हमारा माल पहुँचता है।
10 varieties of sweets weighing around 80 kgs were sent to the wedding venue, including moong dal barfi, Gujarati bakhalya, kaju pan and choco bite, among others. After tying the knot, Vicky and Katrina will jet off to the Maldives for their honeymoon. However, their honeymoon is expected to get delayed owing to their respective work commitments. The celebrity couple won't immediately fly to the Maldives as Katrina Kaif has two big projects lined up: Tiger 3 with Salman Khan and Sriram Raghavan's next with Vijay Sethupathi. The shoot of both films will resume after the much-hyped wedding. As for Vicky, he has Sam Bahadur, Govinda Naam Mera and Mr. Lele up his alley. The couple will host a grand reception in Mumbai's Taj Lands End Hotel for their friends in the fraternity. With the Haldi ceremony happening on Wednesday, as per sources, Vicky will arrive at the venue riding a 7-horse-drawn chariot. The wedding, which will see 120 guests in attendance, will have a 5-tiered Tiffany cake curated by a chef from Italy. The guests will be served continental, traditional, Rajasthani, Punjabi and Rajwadi food in the menu. The wedding ceremony will commence on December 9. The couple will tie the knot in the Rajwada style. On the request of the couple, the 700-year-old Six Senses Hotel Fort Barwara, situated in Savai Madhopur district, has been decorated with a heritage look as the couple wanted something natural other than the artificial decor. As per sources, the high-tech security of the wedding venue is being looked after by the company of Salman Khan's bodyguard Shera.